Today we are going to explore a Japanese money book called The Millionaire's Philosophy of a Happy Life by Ken Honda, a best-selling author and angel investor from Japan. This book is packed with invaluable advice on how to achieve both wealth and happiness. It hasn't been translated to English yet, but no worries. I've read a book in Japanese and I'm here to share the most important essence with you. This book is based on Ken's real experiences when he was 20 years old and visited the US. There he met Mr. Geller, a very successful Jewish businessman who moved to the US during World War II. Mr. Geller built a great fortune in the diamond business and later expanded into real estate, developing major hotels and shopping centers across the country. If you want to live a wealthy and happy life, this video is for you. I'll be sharing 5 secrets to achieve both wealth and happiness in this book, with the first and the last secrets being especially important, so make sure to watch till the end. The first step to wealth and happiness is understanding how the world actually works. It's important to understand the fundamental systems in our society that affect wealth. Some people earn 50k a year, others earn 500k, and some others make 5 million. The difference isn't because the last group works 100 times harder than the first. Mr. Geller explained that those who earn the most, like the ones making $5 million a year, are usually business owners who make money by leveraging the work of others. They hire managers who might earn 500k and oversee employees who make 50k. It's all about using the system to your advantage. Our world is divided into 2 types of people: those who are free and those who are unfree. Free people are independent in their finances, social lives, and emotions, living life in their own way. Unfree people rely on others for their income and are stuck with obligations they don't truly want. In today's world, wealth flows to those who provide value and make others happy. The more people you make happy, the wealthier you become. And this trend will only accelerate as we move further into the digital age. Mr. Geller emphasized a simple formula: income equals to amount of service times quality of service. Whether you're a doctor, a lawyer, a celebrity, or a business owner, your income is directly linked to the quantity and the quality of the service you provide. The more valuable your service, the higher your income. Mr. Geller advised focusing on creating value rather than chasing money. People who concentrate on creating value without obsessing over money often find themselves earning more because they are given more. For example, entertainers who bring joy to millions earn huge financial rewards, and surgeons earn high salaries because of their specialized knowledge and skills. To become free, build a business or system that works on its own. The sooner you start, the easier it is. Free people spend their time doing what they enjoy, while unfree people are stuck with never-ending tasks and responsibilities, leaving little time for real happiness. The second secret is mastering the art of sales. Mr. Geller says that to be successful in sales, you should focus on 2 things: finding new customers and keeping them. The best salespeople don't just make one-time sales. They build lasting relationships that lead to repeat business. And understanding how people think and behave is key to being good at sales. By learning about behavioral economics, which is the study of how people make decisions, whether rational or irrational, you can figure out how to influence yourself and others, leading to quicker and better success. Emotion is especially important in sales. What matters is the passion you have inside. People are influenced by feelings, so the more passion you show in your work, the more successful you'll be in sales. Here are 5 simple rules for being good at sales. Believe in sale. When you're selling something, it's important for you to believe that it will sell. Be trustworthy. People like to buy things, but they don't like being pressured. So before talking business, make sure the person trusts you. And the easiest way to do this is by being honest and reliable. Connect emotionally. When you talk about your product or service, make it exciting and easy to imagine. Show how your product or service will improve the person's life. Know your product. You need to know everything about what you're selling. Think about all the questions someone might ask you, and make sure you know the answers. Master deal closing. No matter how well you explain things, the sale isn't complete until the contract is signed or the payment is received. There are many techniques to close a deal, so learn and practice them often. Now for the third secret, learning the laws of money. According to Mr. Geller, there are only 2 types of relationships you can have with money. You either become its master or its slave. Unfortunately, in modern capitalist society, there's no middle ground. Money has its own rules, just like anything else, but schools never teach them. Money has 5 principles, and without mastering these key principles, it's extremely difficult to become rich. The 5 principles are: earn a lot, spend wisely, protect your money, invest, and share. I'll explain one by one. To get rich, you first need to earn money. Without this step, the other principles won't matter. While earning a big income helps, mastering the next principle, spend wisely, can make even a modest income enough for building wealth. Many people believe that earning a lot guarantees wealth, but this isn't true. You know why? Even high earners can go broke if they don't control their spending. The key is knowing the difference between needs and wants, essentials and non-essentials. The rich resist unnecessary purchases, while the poor often splurge as a reward. Once you're earning and spending wisely, the next step is to save and protect your money. And then you need to invest your money. Building wealth often requires investing. It's also essential for maintaining wealth. Successful investing is the final challenge in the wealth building game. But wealth isn't just about personal success. It's also about giving back. Sharing wealth, whether by supporting others' growth or through donations, completes the wealth cycle and brings true fulfillment. The fourth secret is to own your business, like literally. Mr. Geller says that for the average person, owning a profitable business is the fastest path to wealth. And here are 5 principles for business success. A lot of 5 and numbers, I know. Number 1, pick a field. Once you've chosen a field you are interested in, find someone successful there. Number 2, learn everything you need. After finding someone successful in your chosen field, learn everything you can from their success. It makes a big difference. By starting small, even if you fail, the losses will be manageable. You also have time to plan and try again. Number 4, create a profitable system. Once you start, focus entirely on making your customers happy. Profit comes from turning your customer satisfaction into money. The happier your customers are, the more money you earn. Number 5, create a system that works without you. Once you've built a profitable system, make sure it works perfectly, even if you are not directly in charge of everything. If you can achieve this, you'll be set free from trading your time for money, making you closer to financial freedom. People receive money in proportion to the joy they bring to others. So think about how you can make others happy in your own unique way. And if you can make a lot of people happy, you'll live a wealthy and happy life. And here's the last secret. Do what you genuinely love. According to Mr. Geller once again, doing what you love is essential for a wealthy and happy life. He says that people who give up their dreams for the sake of stability often end up living lives that feel like a never-ending cycle of boredom. To become truly wealthy and happy, you must find something you're passionate about and dedicate yourself to it with all your heart. When you do what you love, success becomes much more likely because people are naturally drawn to those who are passionate and full of energy. When you're doing what you love, your energy flows naturally. You'll find opportunities or connections that seem almost magical, as if you're being guided by some unseen force. This is what Mr. Geller called riding the wave of passion. Your life begins to unfold in unexpected and rewarding ways. There's a hierarchy of happiness when it comes to doing what you love. Doing what you love and making money from it. This is the best life. Doing what you love but not making lots of money from it. You're still quite happy because you're doing what you love. Doing what you don't like but making money from it. You have money but you're not happy because you're doing something you don't like. Doing what you don't like and not making money from it. And this is the worst life. According to the book, the best way to find what you love is to love whatever you're doing now. Those who genuinely give often receive more in return. When you're lost in life, ask your heart what will truly make you happy, and let that intuition guide you. If you feel nothing, you might be too busy to listen to your heart. Quiet your mind, listen closely, and your heart will guide you.
And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. Everything else is secondary.
That's the end of this video, and here's a quick recap of the key points. By understanding how society works, mastering the art of sales, learning the laws of money, owning your business, and doing what you genuinely love, you can live a life of both wealth and happiness, achieving true fulfillment. Remember, wealth isn't just about money. It's about living a life full of purpose, joy, and fulfillment. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more money lessons. And don't forget to comment on what you'd like to see next.